Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to give camera permission in the Yuka app on your phone. If you have just installed Yuka and want to use its features that require the camera, this video will guide you. First, locate the Yuka app on your phone. Next, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then, click on App Info from the options provided. After that, scroll to find the Permissions section and tap on it. Now, you will see a list of permissions the app can access. Click on Camera to open the camera permission settings. Then, choose Allow Only while using the app to give Yuka access to the camera only when you are actively using it. This simple process ensures your privacy while letting you fully enjoy the functionality of the Yuka app. Thanks for watching.